Welcome back. Let's do question 152. The matric class of a certain high school had to vote for the chairperson of the RCL. The scatter plot below shows the IQ of the 10 learners who received the most votes and the number of votes that they received. Before the election, the popularity of each of these 10 learners was established, and the popularity score out of 100 was assigned to each. The popularity scores and the number of votes of the same 10 learners who received the most votes are shown in the table below. Right, question 1.5. Using the scatter plot and the table above, provide the reason why the prediction in question 1.4 is reliable. Right, so in 1.4 we used the equation of least squares regression line to predict the number of votes. If the correlation coefficient is almost 1, it means that there's a strong positive correlation. If the correlation coefficient is nearer to -1, it means there's a strong negative correlation. And then if our correlation coefficient is almost 1, then we can say this prediction is reliable. So we need to find our correlation coefficient here. We're going to use a calculator for that. All right, so to find your correlation coefficient, you go to the mod and then states. In this calculator is 3 there. And then we want the correlation coefficient. So we go to a plus bx, which is 2 there. This calculator is number 2. And then we enter the values of x and the values of y. Then we enter the values of x, 32. 32 goes with what? And then equals. And then let me see, 32 goes with what? 32 goes with 9. Okay, make sure that your values correspond. And then we go to 89. 89 goes with 22. So you enter all the values. Let me just enter all the values once, then we'll discuss after that. All right, after entering all the values, and then we press AC and then shift 1. And then what do we want? We want regression here, 5. And then we're going to look for R, which is for the correlation coefficient. In this calculator is number 3 there. You press 3, then equals. You see that the correlation coefficient is 0.9836, goes on like that, so it's 0.98. The correlation coefficient R is equal to 0.98, showing us that there is a very strong positive correlation. Therefore, the prediction in question 1.4 is reliable.